Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. Well, welcome to this page, and thank you guys for all the comments, likes, and shares. Thank you for sending in your questions. I'll be answering them via video. And if you're new, welcome. This is the Eagles family, and all I do here is share my experiences. And if you find a nugget that works for you, take it and expand on it and make it your own. The whole point is to reveal the greatness that is in you, to allow yourself to shine. You don't have to ask for permission to be great, to do and implement the things you want to do. Just go for it, And so the topic for today is the elephant with the pink ribbon. That is such an appropriate title because I had that story many years ago and it never left me. So just sit, enjoy, and listen to this. So there was an elephant, apparently a baby elephant. So they were trying to make it domestic. So they started tying a rope around its leg when it was very little. Hi, welcome, let me know where you're from. So they started tying a ribbon around its leg when it was little. It was a rope. Then when it got really big, they realized that the elephant had been well trained by the rope. So it wouldn't go so far. As soon as it would feel the tug of the rope, it would stop. So it would stay just around the tree, just around the compound, in this place where it was being raised. Then they switched the rope to a ribbon, just a small ribbon for a big adult elephant. The elephant never broke loose. The elephant never veered any further than the ribbon. And that made me so sad for such a gigantic animal to be domesticated by a ribbon. A small ribbon that we can use to even tie our hair. Then it got me thinking about us. We as human beings, you and me, we have so much great potential. We are better than this big elephant. But because of the training and conditioning, we are failing to break through and become our best potential because the programming has kept us so small. Maybe you grew up hearing no. Maybe you grew up hearing you're not good enough. You're not enough. Don't share that. Keep that quiet. Don't reveal your talents. Or someone will be jealous. Things of that nature. Then over the years, you started dimming your light lower and lower. Guess what? You don't have to do that anymore. You don't have to be like the elephant that has a ribbon tied on its leg. You have full potential. You just have to recognize that there is some programming in you and break free. Nothing is holding you back. But the things that are holding you back are things that are changeable, that are breakable once you recognize what they are. So my question for you today will be, what is holding you back? What is the pink ribbon in your life that is causing you to be stuck? What is it? Is it the culture? Is it self-esteem, thinking you're not good enough? Once you pinpoint those areas of where you're being held back, you can start working on them and break free. You have full potential. Greatness is in you. You are free and safe to reach the highest potential you've ever desired in your heart. Nothing can stop you. You're well protected. You're well provided for. There's a divine plan, a big divine plan with God help, in play. So it's up to you. Recognize where the hindrance is and break free. You don't have to be held back at all. Well, I hope that inspires you to do something different. Break free. We need you. We need your potential, and we need you thriving high. As always, this is Mother Eagle. I hope that is useful for you, and leave your questions below. I'll leave my WhatsApp number below for questions only. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.